Huawei Mate 70 has just launched today. It's a camera-centric phone with a solid design, flagship camera, fast charging, and more. Friends, today I will share the unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Mate 70, which has been recently launched. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. First, we remove the plastic from the box. The box comes in black color with golden branding on top. You'll see the Huawei logo on the top, along with the XMage and Kunlun Glass logos below it. At the bottom, Harmony OS is mentioned. Opening the lid, the first thing we see is the Huawei Mate 70 phone. Inside the box, you'll also find a SIM ejector tool and a protective case. Here is the 66-watt power adapter, which supports both Type A and Type C outputs. The adapter has dual ports, but you can only use one port at a time. Finally, you also get a Type-C to Type-C data cable. This is the standard version of the Huawei Mate 70. Now let's remove the plastic from the phone and talk about its design and build. First, you'll notice it has a flat screen design. However, under light reflection, you can see a slight micro-curved arc on the edges, a small 2.5D curve. The phone has a flat frame with a shiny finish and a slight textured feel. Looking at the placements, top, there's a secondary microphone and an IR blaster. Bottom, you'll find the speaker grill, Type-C port, SIM tray, and a microphone built into the speaker, not separate. Right side, it has the volume rocker and power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. The frame edges have a slight curve, giving it a good in-hand feel. Looking at the back of the phone, it has a flat design made of AG frosted glass, which gives a textured feel to the touch. When you change the angle, you can see a starry reflection effect. At the bottom, you'll find Huawei branding, while the top has a circular camera module with a sloped design. This time, the camera module is placed in the center and is divided into two stages. The bottom stage has a sloped design, which also provides a comfortable grip when holding the phone with your finger resting there. The upper part of the camera module is very glossy, and its edges are made of high-gloss metal. The module has 5 cutouts, but only 3 are actual camera lenses. In the center, there's a red maple color reproduction sensor this time. I'll share more details about the cameras in my full review video, which will be uploaded in 2 days. So, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team to watch the review first. For users who prefer a flat screen design, this phone offers a great design. This is the standard variant with a hard plastic case. The phone weighs 203 grams and has a thickness of just 7.8 millimeters, making it quite slim. It feels very comfortable to hold with one hand. So friends, how do you like the design of the Huawei Mate 70? Let me know in the comments. The phone features a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display, which supports an adaptive refresh rate. It has a 1.5K resolution. The screen has slim and uniform bezels on all 4 sides, giving it a high screen-to-body ratio. The corners have an R-angle design, and there's a center punch hole for the selfie camera. You can also compare the Huawei Mate 70 with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The 16 Pro Max feels slightly bigger in size. Talking about the price of the Huawei Mate 70, the base variant starts at 5,499 Chinese in China, which is around £630 in the UK and $758 in the USA. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be uploading a detailed review of the Huawei Mate 70 very soon. To watch it first, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. So, what do you guys think about the Huawei Mate 70 5G? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.